Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.3.05 Input Base Pivot Hinge Price. Hinges are in the hardware category on the cost workup sheet. There are 23 rows of hardware items. Pivot hinges are used to mount doors on a fixture. Hinges are small items. An important principle in this process is including every item in the cost workup. Time may be a consideration more important than the hardware size. Every part, piece, or item must be included in the cost workup. Apply the data filter so that only the 3 rows of cost that pertain to the hinges are visible. The one materials cost is $8.69. The 2 labor costs are $14.18, for a total cost of $22.87. Labor is approximately 62% of the total $22.87 cost. If the hinges require dimensions to calculate accurate costs, the width, depth, and height dimensions are entered on the cost workup sheet in row 144 over the green character values in cells N, O, and P respectively. Hinges do not have dimensions on the project dimension sheet. The quantity in row 144 column Q is a formula with the range name SCTN1 DOR BSE A or L, LWR, QTY, which is from cell U498 on the project dimension sheet. The quantity 1 from cell U498 on the project dimension sheet is the quantity of doors, not the quantity of hinges. To get the quantity of 2 hinges required for this door, enter 2 in column R. In this situation, quantity is adjusted in column R, not column Q. Column Q on the door cost workup is a formula. Do not change it. Row 144 is hardware hinge pivot. Enter $3.95 per piece for 2 hinges in cell T144. When the price is entered in cell T144, the total material cost $8.69 for that material is calculated in cell X144. After entering the price, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 2.3.05 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.3.06.